I've been racing for over a decade now. One of my goals is to be one of the first females with a Pro 1 license and be at that top level of drifting. It starts in the garage, continues on the track, and never stops. It's that constant chase to be the best that fuels me every single day, to keep pushing until I'm side by side with champions. And that journey continues right now. This is Between Two Rides. This is Chris Forsberg's all-new Nissan Z. If you know drifting, you know Chris Forsberg. I mean, he's been doing this for over a decade. He's been there since day one.
As Chris Forsberg throws it down.
I've been working on and building cars since about 15. We would watch videos from guys in Japan of cars sliding around in this drift style. And I just thought that was way cooler than the import drag racing that was happening in the States. And so I started trying to translate build sheets to figure out how they built their cars to drift, and then find those parts on eBay Motors and try and make our cars do the same thing.
Today, Chris is bringing out his all-new Nissan Z. So to have two here today, one completely stock and then one a pro car, is pretty special. Let's go check out the stock version.
Oh yeah.
Then we'll come back.
There's a lot to look at on this one. So this has the all-new VR30 DETT engine package that's twin turbo yet again, just like the old 300ZXs were.
And the body, I feel like this is what, a couple different former Zs meshed into its now current form.
Yeah, it's just a lot of little throwbacks in it.
I love color, and I never thought blue on blue could look this good.
It's just a really slick looking car.
So your car's a bit different.
Our car is full-on competition build. We built the car in 6 weeks. We had almost 2,500 man-hours into it.
So this is a GTR engine, 3.8 liter, and we rebuilt the entire engine with boost logic, upgraded cams, crankshaft, pistons, rods, everything. And of course, the twin turbos from Garrett.
This entire engine setup, definitely a flex. What is the number setup, stock Z to the power that you're making? What's the difference?
That one's 400 and this one's 13. We make so much grip with the rear end of the car that we actually have to have that much power so we can spin the tires to 140 miles an hour because we're going sideways up against a wall like 80 plus. Moving inside, just less is more. Tilt and pedal box that we have mounted on the floor here, our Recaro bucket seats, and this is my own custom handbrake that we built for the car. Trying to keep it open, easy, free, and clean so that we have space to be able to work on things.
What are 3 things you can get on eBay Motors today to start your drift build?
The first 3 things to ever get for your car: diff seat and coilovers. The differential locks up the rear tires, has to happen, have to be there. After that, a bucket seat. People think you need steering angle kit or tires or something like that, but
it's important, you gotta feel everything,
yeah,
right?
The seat is what connects you to the car. From there, coilovers, because center of gravity lowers, stiffens up the springs, and makes the car just that much more controllable to drive.
So my goal is definitely to compete at the highest level of drifting next to you. What would be some of your best advice for me?
I mean, when it comes to winning a championship, you have to have great finishes every race. The consistency and getting top 8 and above every round is what wins you a championship.
We actually won a championship one year and we didn't win a single event, but we were on the podium 6 out of 8 times.
All right, we've talked through the differences between this stock Z over here and your pro level build. Let's put your mods to the test.
That was insane.
You're definitely one of the only people that I would trust sitting passenger through all of that. That was amazing.
But we made it. It was cool.
Amazing.
Yeah, not
Good
bad,
job.
not bad.
Well, this has been freaking amazing to see side by side the all-new Z and your all-new Z as well.
This thing's a maniac, and I love driving it. So thanks for having me. Blast ripping around here, and we made it out unscathed.
Whether you're looking to get sideways or take your car to the next level, check out the links in the description to find drift mods and more on eBay Motors. Let's ride. Thanks for watching Between Two Rides. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for the next episode. What really put this car on the map?
What put this car on the map was being one of the first to twin turbo it. We knew it was gonna work, but we didn't think it was gonna work as well as it did.